Welcome to the info with me, ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. So you have, in my case, the Google Feeds are activated, and I'll show you how you can turn it off. So just to make that, press and hold for a while to your screen and swipe here to the left, to the right side, and you will see here the show Google Now switcher. Just to turn it off, tap once on the switcher, and right now, as can you see, our Google Feeds just is disabled. And to turn it on again, repeat the action and tap here on the switcher, and as can you see, we just activate our Google Feeds again. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.